Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Zabbix Server 4.0 on CentOS 7 server. This is my server information, operating system CentOS 7.5, RAM, disk, IP address, CPU, service, Zabbix Server. Checking CentOS version 7.5 and check IP address 100.8. Install wget command. Press Y, again press Y. Yes, wget command install done. Now download MySQL 5.7 community edition and add this repo. Now install MySQL server. Press Y, then press enter. Press Y. MySQL installation done. Now start MySQL package. Then see MySQL service is successfully running, and collect MySQL temporary password, MySQL temporary root password, and change MySQL password. Enter this password, press new password. Change the password for root, press yes. Do you wish to continue with the password provided? Yes. Remove anonymous user? Yes. Disallow root login remotely? Yes. Remove test database access to it? Yes. Reload privilege table now? Yes. Yes, all successfully done. Now download Zabbix repo version 4.0. Clean all and install this Zabbix server MySQL, Zabbix web MySQL. Y. Press Y. Press Y. Now installation done. Now create Zabbix database. Log in MySQL terminal and create database and database user and grant privilege Now import Zabbix default DB into my database. This is my Zabbix user password. Then add 3 info, database name, database username and database password into this file, Zabbix server conf.file. Yes, database imported successfully done. This is Zabbix user. Scroll down. This is default database name, and this is default Zabbix username. And password. Then save and exit and edit your local PSP time zone. My time zone is Asia, Dhaka. And then save and exit. Now restart Zabbix server, Zabbix agent and HTTP. Enable service. Start firewall CMD. And allow this port for access web browser, and this is 2 port for Zabbix server communication into agent and server. Firewall CMD reload. Must be AC Linux is disabled. Otherwise Zabbix service not start. This is important things. AC Linux must be disabled, and then reboot your server. Otherwise Zabbix server not started. Now again connect server and check Zabbix service. Yes, now successfully start after reboot my server. Now go to web browser for complete installation process from web browser. Yes, coming up installation process, all successfully okay. Database name, username and password is click next step. Pre-installation summary. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix front end. Yes, Zabbix default username is admin, must be A is capital, and password is Zabbix, Zabbix, Zabbix. Yes, Zabbix server is running successfully. And agent is running successfully. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.